Hi, and welcome to New Zealand. My journey started off in Brisbane. Australia was the first half of my trip, and New Zealand was the second half of my trip. So I headed from Brisbane to Queenstown. I decided to skip Auckland altogether and the North Island just because I know that Queenstown holds a lot more of the landscapes, the mountains, and just the views that I wanted to see. Landed in Queenstown. And here's my first view of Queenstown from city center. Absolutely breathtaking. I walked through town to get acquainted with the area. People think I'm super organized, but sometimes I'm not. I have an idea of the itinerary and experiences that I want to do, but I wasn't sure how long it would take, so I headed to the Southern Discovery Center and they'll finish booking everything for me so it works with my schedule. Now get ready for these views. So the next part of my journey was on a cruise. So you fly and then you have a cruise for 2 hours around Milford Sounds, and then you fly out of Milford Sounds again back to Queenstown. Stay tuned for part 2, 3, and 4 of New Zealand.